In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to write catchy, high-energy hooks for your YouTube Shorts. Let's get started. I begin by navigating to the Perplexity homepage and clicking into the search bar to enter a detailed prompt. I'm asking the AI to act as a viral content strategist to write 5 engaging hooks for a video about productivity secrets for busy professionals. The AI provides several different angles, such as hooks focused on slashing workloads in half and others targeting the frustration of endless meetings. These results are designed to grab attention in the first 3 seconds by using punchy language and creating a strong sense of urgency. Next, I want to see how the tool handles a different niche, so I move down to the follow-up bar at the bottom to enter a new request. This time, I'm asking for 5 catchy hooks for a video titled "The Secret to Making Perfect Espresso at Home," specifically requesting a mix of curiosity and urgency. Once I submit the prompt, Perplexity generates a fresh set of ideas that are ready to use for my script. I look through the results, which include lines about barista-level secrets and common coffee mistakes that viewers will want to avoid right away. These suggestions provide a great variety of styles, ranging from curiosity-driven questions to direct calls to action, making it easy to find the perfect opening for a video. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.